Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about a formula in DAX, that is same period last year, and how we can use them in DAX. So suppose like we have this DAX screen here, Power BI screen here, and we will create a table here. So I will just click on this chart, like we will take a bar chart here, and here I will take sales, and beside that I will take order date in x-axis. So we have this bar chart here, and now if I will remove this, if I will go one level up, like it's equal to quarter, and then this is according to our sales according to years. So this is our bar chart, and now if we want to use our formula same period last year, so then we go to the new measure here, and then we will type the name of the measure which we want to give, and in our case we want to give it a name sales previous year. Then I will use the formula calculate, and in this calculate I will sum our sales, order sales. Then I will close this complete, that will keep by bracket, that is very important. Then I will comma, then I will give the name of the formula which is same period last year, and here I will take order date and dot date, and just click over this, and let's check whether it's working or not. There might be some problem as it's shown some red color here. So sum order calculate, so we have not taken a right formula here, we have to take calculate here, calculate, and then we will just click over this. So we have calculate sum orders, we have taken this, and now we have created a measure here. And if we want to use this measure in our this table, like this in bar chart, I will just drag this here just below this y-axis. Now so this is our original and this is our previous year, so it will help us to compare it in a very better way. And how it will compare it is like, if we will go there in our table, and I just remove this, if we will go there in our table, there is some problem, I just remove this. Okay, now if we will go there in our table and just go this drill down, so when we will drill down this next level, so it will show according to the quarter, and if you will go to the next level, it will show according to the month. So in month, like whatever our sales this month and previous month, so it will compare it and it show us the report. So it's a very great way to find out the report according to year, month, and whatever way you like. So this is the benefit of having this formula sales period year. And beside that we can even use filter also, like if I will put click down outside of this table of this bar chart and put here our filter, and here I will put order date, and then I will just go and increase the size to 22. So we can even year wise we can do that also. We can filter it according to which month we want our like we want to compare our data, we can do that. And there are other method also, like list, drop down case, relative dates, relative time. So whatever you want to take, you can take that, and accordingly you can select your data, days, week, month, years. Like years we can select for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years. So whichever number of years you want to compare, you can do that. So that's all from this video. Thank you very much for watching.